In my last video, I put together this closet inside of this spare bedroom, and in today's video, I am going to put this room together and make it beautiful. Before doing anything in this room just served as a large storage room. We just had various things in here, and since I'm on a process of updating all of the flooring in the upstairs, I wanted to take this opportunity to make this room actually functional. So after I installed the luxury vinyl plank flooring and removed all of the carpet, I painted the room in evergreen fog. And I really like this color. It's a beautiful green, and I think it looks really great in here. I also got this rug from Lowe's and installed it, and it has the perfect shades of green that match the wall. I then put this futon together, and we won't actually probably use the futon that often. We do have a spare bedroom for guests to stay when they do come over, but if we were to have lots of guests, then we have an extra space where people can stay if they need to. I then brought in this TV stand, and this room also has the elliptical in here, so I wanted to put the TV and TV stand in here so that way I had something to watch when I use the elliptical. Plus, if we do have people stay over, then they can sit on the futon and watch TV. So once I got the TV installed, it was time to start putting in some of the final touches. I got this cute little olive tree that I'm putting here in the corner. I do end up moving this tree to another corner behind the elliptical later, and I put a different plant here. But next step was to remove this ugly boob light. It serves no function and it's ugly, and I really wanted a fan in here because it gets hot when I'm running on the elliptical. It was really simple to put this fan together and get it installed. I first started by unboxing it and getting all of the pieces together to make sure I had what I needed. I then removed the old light fixture after, of course, making sure that the power was off. I then began to install the new fan following the instructions that came in the box. This one was really simple to put together, and as I was putting it together, I was getting really excited to finally get the final touches of this room put together. So once it was there, it was time to make sure that it worked, the light worked, and the fan worked, so that is a plus. Next, I hung this canvas on the wall, and now let's take a look at the room all put together. I'm really excited with how this came together, and even though the elliptical is the biggest thing that you see as soon as you walk in, it is still functional in this room. And I love the way that everything else came together in this room. I love this green color, and the way that everything else came together I think looks really great. I'm really happy with how this room turned out, so please let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.